If somebody asked me to refer them for a garage door company, I would definitely refer Garage Door Utah.
I'm very impressed with this young man.
Garage Door Utah is the place to go.
For a long time, I trust him, and I know I wouldn't be taken advantage of.
The service was fantastic.
And I would recommend him to anyone because of his attitude towards people. They come first.
Curb appeal is everything on a house, and a lot of people don't think about their garage doors being 30% or more of the front of their house. They take everything else into consideration, but then say, oh, that white door will do. But that's 30% of the front of your house, and the curb appeal with an amazing looking door will add value to your house beyond belief. So the reason why I started this company is because I love working with public, getting out, shaking hands with anybody and everybody. I just love meeting people. Helping people is a huge thing to me, and that's why I love this job.